What's going on, YouTube? We're back again. As we can see, it's raining, but also my car is back home and fixed. So stay tuned because I'm going to explain what actually happened. So, rewinding back to the other week where my car broke down and stopped driving, I thought the clutch exploded. What actually happened, after the recovery, I explained to him what I thought happened. He told me that sounds more like a CV joint. So, I locked the wheel and lo and behold, the CV joint snapped. So, luckily, it was so much easier fixed than I thought. So here's some of the footage of the condition of the car when I put it in the air. So here we have the broken CV joint. Obviously it's behind this boot. I'm not going to bother taking it off, but it's completely broken. Like, it's probably only half still connected inside, but yeah. And unfortunately for me, I can't change separately, so I'm getting a new drive shaft. I can see the grease everywhere from where the CV boot exploded. So now the car drives again, couldn't be happier about it, and back. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram under that silver Aygo, and I'll see you guys in the next video.